Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordy Guitar. We have MÅNESKIN or MÅNESKIN. Not sure there about the pronunciation. Anyway, this song is called The Driver. And I think this band is originally from Italy, if I'm not mistaken. And they won the Eurovision Song Contest some years ago. So yeah, they are popular here. So we're gonna look at this song, The Driver. This is mainly about 4 different chords. I'm gonna look at one instrumental part, or yeah, it's instrumental or a drop or whatever you're gonna call it later on. But first, let's go over the chords. And we don't need any capo, as you can see here, so we'll go clean. Let's take a look at the 4 main chords first. So we're gonna start off with A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And this A minor, I'm gonna show you later how to use the bar version. First off, to show you the chord as it is, it's a bar here placed on the 5th fret, and you bar all strings there, and then you add 7th on A and 7th on D. We're gonna use this bar version later on for the drop or instrumental part that I talked about. So anyway, that's the A minor. Next chord is the D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have C as well. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, so this is the 4 main chords there: A minor, D minor, C, and E minor. Then I showed you this bar version of the A minor, and it comes with the instrumental parts, and in that part we also have 2 more chords added. We have first the C chord with the bar version. So you place a bar here on the 8th fret over all strings, and then you need to add 10 on A, 10 on D, and 9 on the G string. Alright, that's the C, and then you have the B as well. You take the exact same grip and move it 1 fret away from you, from your body, and you land at this position here with the bar on the 7th fret. And yeah, everything follows there, the same grip there, so that gives us 9 on A, 9 on D, and 8 on the G string. Alright, so that's the B. Now we have all the tools to handle this song here. We're gonna look at the main part first. We're gonna use the chords up here: A minor, D minor, C, and E minor. And with that comes a string pattern. We're gonna use the down, up, clap, up. Okay, so if you grab the A minor, 1 string around is down, up, clap, up. That is 1 round. So down, up, clap, up. A couple rounds to get the rhythm here. Alright, so we're ready to make this song here, this main part of it, and it takes up a little bit of yeah, kind of 90% of this song or so. So you're gonna play this pretty much through the entire song almost, all right? So you're gonna play A minor, 2 string rounds, then D, 2 string rounds, okay? So you're gonna shift and alternate these 2 chords, A minor 2, D minor 2. You do that for 3 rounds, and after the 3rd round, the 3rd D minor, you go to C and play 2 string rounds, and E minor, finally 2 string rounds. And all that is 1 chord progression round, so to speak. So A minor and D minor, alternating that 2 string rounds per chord for 3 rounds, and then C2 and E minor 2, like this. 2nd round, and 3rd round, C and E minor. Again. And that's what you're gonna play almost through the entire song. But we have this instrumental part, or the drop. It comes in about 1 minute and 2 seconds into the song, and then also later at 2 minutes and 10 seconds into the song. And it comes in right after the lyrics where he sings, I wanna be your driver. All right, so it's kind of a drop after the chorus there. So how do we play this? Now we're gonna use these chords, these bar chords up here. So we have this A minor, all right? It's on the 5th position there. So you have this kind of rock vibe to it. I'm gonna give you the notes to it, and you're gonna handle it in your way. So it goes like this. Okay, that's the A minor part, starting like this. So you have the notes here from the chord, and the reason for why I'm using the full chord, not only the notes I'm gonna give you soon, is because you can use this notes to bring up the notes here with some kind of strumming here, and that gives you more depth to it. So you have the chord as a background, and it gets a fuller sound, so to speak. So that's the reason for having this A minor bar chord, and you can pick the notes from this actual chord. Okay, so where do we find the notes? We have the D string here. It's barred, okay? So D string on the 5th fret, then 2 times on the 7th fret D string, then G string 5th fret, also barred, and then back to 7th on the D string. So that is 1 round. You're gonna play that for 3 rounds, and on the 4th round you're gonna play. So that is starting the same way. You're gonna play the 5th fret D string, the 2 times on the 7th D string, then 5th G string, and then 2 times on the 7th G string. And that is the 4th round. So 3 rounds of, and then on 4th round you play. And then after this A minor part, so to speak, you're gonna go to the C bar chord, and you're gonna play this part. So that will be 3 times on the bass strings of this chord here, and emphasize the E string here. I'm gonna play the down, up, down. So like this, 3 times on the bass strings, and then 1 kick on the 8th fret top string down here. So 8th fret on the bass here, or the bass strings, you're gonna kick the E, perhaps the A and D string as well, and then 1 kick on the lower end here down on the E string. So, and then you go to the B and play the same, like that, and that ends 1 round of this instrumental part. And like I said, it comes in about 1 minute and 2 seconds in, but also 2 minutes and 10 seconds into the song. After I Wanna Be Your Driver. So the driver, that's MÅNESKIN's new song here. Give it a try. Otherwise, the main part here is pretty much what you need to know if you don't want to play this instrumental part. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please support me here on Gordon Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.